We talked about UT men on a streak, BG on a streak, losing their last 3 in a row, hosting Ohio, the only team to have a worse record than them in the East. DiMaggio Wiggins looking good, though. The Springfield alum, 18 points. Daquan Plowden with the follow-up jam. BG up 41-19 at half. And Plowden, man, he was having a game. Strong take to the rack. 9.6 boards. Wiggins added 11 rebounds with his 18 points. Another double-double for him. BG blows out the Bobcats 66-50.
We lost by probably, I'm not sure, don't quote me on this, probably 70 points in 2 games. So, that's embarrassing for us as a team, individually, as a program, as a school. So we took it upon ourselves in practice to just go hard and just play angry, treat every drill, everything we do, compete, and treat it as it was the game, and I think we translated today.
Is the most important for your mental psyche when you lose 3, and that's the biggest thing. If you feel good about yourself, you'll play better, and I think we feel good about what we did tonight.